Hello, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox game client is not responding. So first thing to do here is to simply go to your Roblox, right click, scroll down, tap show more options, and then go to properties. Now here, you just have to simply tap run and change this to minimize and then click apply. Now next is a go to compatibility and change this from Windows 8 to Windows 7. Tap disable full screen and run this as an administrator. Click OK and that's it. Now after that, open properties again, go to compatibility, but this time you have to tap this run compatibility troubleshooter. As you can see, it is now detecting issues. So you have to try this one first and then click test the program. So let's see if this one is compatible or after doing this, it will resolve the problem. So tap test the program and wait as it's processing. If your Roblox will appear and everything seems okay, I mean, there's no problem, no lag, no errors, and Roblox is responding properly. So that's a time that this is compatible. I mean, the settings that you have adjusted is compatible. So what you're going to do if it's okay now, all you have to do is to simply click next. Okay, so after you test the program and everything is okay, then you have to click next. And then after that, you click this yes, save the settings for this program. So wait as it is saving settings. And then once done, all you have to do is to close this one and open your Roblox. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.